In this video, we're focusing on real estate Facebook targeting that works today. Real estate Facebook ad targeting that actually brings leads. I get it, the struggle is real. You may have selected the right campaign objective. You may have even done the perfect ad. You had the right ad copy, the right image, and everything was working. However, you find yourself advertising to the wrong audience. In other words, the wrong target audience that ultimately ends up costing you money. So stay tuned, as today I show you exactly the detailed targeting you should use for your Facebook ads. Let's begin. Hey Itime, if we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. For this video, we're not looking at the campaign objective and we're not even looking at the ads. For this video, we are solely focusing on the targeting. Also, we're making the assumption that we're advertising to cold audiences. We're not factoring in custom audiences or anything like that. Lastly, we are making the assumption that we are using the special ad category targeting that is already laid out for us. So essentially people that are above 18, both male and female, and we have the restricted behaviors and demographics in our targeting. So with that said, the special ad category basically leaves us with just interest in our target audiences. So an interest you should consider when you're running real estate ads is a renter's interest. This is gonna mainly attract buyers. And it makes sense. People that have a renter's interest are basically looking at apartments, are looking at leases, and are looking at things relative to renting. So they're not homeowners just yet. Another interest to focus on is real estate investing. This is gonna bring you mostly buyer leads, but will also accompany some seller leads along the way. At the end of the day, this interest is a good catch-all, but mostly will bring in buyers. And another interest to consider is the renovation interest. This particular interest will bring in more seller leads than buyer leads. And it makes sense. People that own a property are more likely to be interested in renovation as they have skin in the game, skin in the property, so they want to do their part in updating whenever it makes sense. And the fourth interest to consider is the third-party sites. So Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com, those types of interests will bring you in both types of leads. I've seen a good and fair balance between the two, buyer leads and seller leads alike. And the bonus interest formula is not having any targeting at all. And I know what you're thinking, Jaime, that's a cop-out answer, and it's really not. Facebook does a fair enough job optimizing your ads because at the end of the day, Facebook wants your money. So when you run an ad with no interest, it's important to have retargeting attached to it. And I know I just broke the conditions that I set at the beginning of the video where I said no custom audiences would be considered. So that's why this one is considered a bonus. So whichever audience you target, be sure that you're split testing. Split testing is going to give you the optimized ad sets, the optimized targeting that you need in order to turn your ads into profitable ones. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so we can talk again soon.